And here we are. It is a terrific Tuesday, and it's a terrific Tuesday for learning EL. We are going to focus on lesson 8 today. I'm going to go over the lesson real quickly here with you and read our learning targets again. I'll go over what we will be working on for small group on Friday. Actually, I forgot. We do not have small group on Friday. So I'm going to talk a little bit about this when we meet with our reading groups this week. I will talk to you a little bit about your writing response then to help you out, because this Friday is going to be a catch-up day. So we're not going to have small groups. We're just going to have a very exciting morning meeting. So let's get started with our lesson 8. Let's go. We are going to read the next part of our little red pen book. I hope you enjoyed it from yesterday. But for now, let's talk about these two questions. What did you notice about the pages we read in the story yesterday? And then what are you wondering about the story or the characters now? Think about that for a second. What do you think is going to happen in the story? Do you remember what happened yesterday? Yesterday we wrote about what was the problem. What was the problem so far in the story? What did you write down? What do you think the problem that all the little characters are having right now with the little red pen? Our learning targets for this week are: I can identify a character's feelings using evidence. Now, I didn't talk so much about evidence during my less recorded lesson, but we did talk about it in small group. And evidence means words, things you found from the book, okay? Evidence meaning you found it from the pictures. You can point to the pictures and go, oh, Miss Clark, remember in this part, this happened? Or you looked at the words and you read and like, remember? That's the evidence, that E word right there, that you found that happened in the book to support what you wrote and what you draw. And then also, I can describe an event by looking closely at the illustrations, the pictures in the book. That's what we're focusing on this week. We are going to read pages 23 through 28 in our little red pen book. And then your homework, your work at home assignment for today, Tuesday, is to we're going to focus on one particular character in the book, and that's the green highlighter. And we'll talk about that response sheet in just a second. When we do meet, you are going to have a feelings chart that you're going to be doing on Thursday this week. And this is a little bit of something that we did yesterday during small group. And we're going to talk about feelings words and using all these different smiley faces and all these little emojis and talking about how the characters are feeling in our book. But I'm going to move to the very last slide. And this is what you're going to be working on today. It's going to look pretty similar to this, okay? So it talks about the little red pen and whether or not the little red pen, or in the book, the highlighter is showing initiative. Now remember, initiative is are they taking charge? Is this character, what work are they trying to get done? Are they getting started right away? Are they helping the work to get done and keeping everybody else motivated? Are they showing initiative? Okay. And it says in this part of the text, how is highlighter showing initiative? And remember, you're listening to the lesson and then you're going to go listen to the read aloud. And then what work does initiative help him do, the highlighter? And then use evidence from the book to support your answer. Now, in the response sheet, it's going to give you a topic sentence. It says the highlighter is showing initiative. That's your topic sentence. Because when you're a good writer, and this is what it's showing, you include a topic sentence, then you're going to write some detailed sentences that tell facts from the book about what happened. And then it gives you a closing sentence. The closing sentence is, this is one way he got the job done. So what you're going to do, and I'm going to show it right now, is you're going to go onto our Google Classroom and you're going to fill out this initiative student response sheet. It's from EL Lesson 8. You can put your name on there, and it even gives you the pictures of highlighter and how he's taking initiative, and it gives you all the different words and illustrations that you'll need to look at. And there it is. There's the topic sentence. It's already written for you. It says highlighter is showing initiative. And then write down 2, or if you can, 3 sentences explaining how is the highlighter showing initiative? What is he doing to show initiative? And you'll hear the story in a minute, but in case you need to see closely, the picture is right there on the response sheet. And then it gives you the closing sentence. This is one way he gets the job done. All right. So your assignment for today is to finish this response sheet and give the evidence using 2 or 3 sentences from the evidence that you see in the page. Okay. All right. I will see you in a few minutes. Make sure you go and listen to the read aloud for pages 23 through 28 of the book. I'm so happy to see you again today, and I know it's going to be a terrific Tuesday. Goodbye.